Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can add a profile picture to your Discord server. Go up here and go to server settings and then just press upload image and find the image you want to use. And then just press apply, and don't forget to press save changes. When you press escape, you're gonna see that you have changed your Discord server picture here. You can also change the name there. As you can see in the server settings, I'm just going to name it Ducky, then press save changes. And that is pretty much it. It is super duper simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!